Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. So let's see what's coming to you ngayong July 2026 monthly reading. Okay, so this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see. Cancer, what's the energy for you ngayong July? Oh, persistence. Meron kayong pagpupursigihan. Okay? So this can be career, business, or yung mga goals ninyo. Mas magiging practical yung inyong mga steps. Hindi lang to puro pangarap na, no? This is about taking action, taking accountability, having the discipline to achieve whatever you want to achieve ngayong July. You also have Chiron. Oh, yung ganda. You are healing also. No? So this can be healing from your past trauma, healing from a recent relationship, connection, or a situation or experience na parang feeling mo, it's time na para mag-focus sa sarili mo. Yung iba, pwedeng kayo ay mamumundok. Oo, yung mga yung aakyat kayo ng mga bundok, part ng healing process nyo. Okay, your overall energy is the Seven of Wands. So speaking of bundok, may pag-akyat talaga. And this is you na meron kang pinoproteksyonan. You are protecting your energies, you are protecting your resources, you are setting boundaries, hindi mo nahayaan na ikaw ay i-take advantage ng ibang tao. You are focused on your mga goals mo sa buhay. I know that can be challenging for you, but kahit na mag-isa ka lang, alam mo sa sarili mo na magagawa mo yon dahil naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo and you have learned your lesson from your past experience. Diba? Naniniwala ka talaga sa kakayanan mo with the magician here. So ito ang iyong abilities, skill set, no? And also your manifestation skills and abilities. Marami kami na manifest. Merong, I don't know kung ano yung parating na full moon or new moon. So I think meron kang mga major manifestations na seseryosohin mo talaga. Okay? This July. And the magician is also about your talent. So pwedeng meron kang pinupursue na skill set mo, talents mo para mas mapagtibay mo pa, mas mapagaling mo pa yung sarili mo. Now, your challenge is the Queen of Pentacles. So, some of you may challenging situations sa isang Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or you feel like there's a lot of responsibilities right now na naka-line up sa'yo. But even so, meron ka namang perseverance eh. Oo, kayang-kaya mo naman niyang i-overcome anumang responsibilities na yan. You also have the Wheel of Fortune. I think meron kailangan magbago, no? Ito yung isa sa challenge sa inyo, Cancerians, no? Yung pagbabago na i-allow mo na mangyari. Kasi pwedeng, andyan na sa harap mo yung pagbabago, pero in denial ka pa eh. So, this is your challenge na to go with the flow, na hindi mo kailangang mag-resist. Kasi pag may resistance, medyo mas mahihirapan ka. So, anything that is beyond your control, you surrender. Kasi yan naman dadalhin ka sa mas makakabuting sitwasyon para sa'yo. So, some of you pwedeng may paglipat ng work, paglipat ng trabaho, career, or change of plans, na parang at first, isip mo, tama ba talaga to? But that is your way of building a new life. Okay? Now, your opportunity is the Hierophant. Wow. So, some of you, merong mentor, no? Meron kayong mentorship. So, pwedeng ikaw yung magme-mentor or merong person sa buhay mo na nag-guide sa'yo. This is also about tradition. So, you have the opportunity to work with the tradition, like traditional family mo. Some of you will be working or connecting with your ancestors, your family, your roots, and also may learning opportunities. Meron ka pag-aaralan. You have the Four of Wands. So, itong mga pag-aaralan mo na to, magdadala to ng tagumpay sa'yo. Para siyang, alam niyo, tinan niyo yung itsura na, para yung mga ribbon na kinakabit sa, pag may graduation. So, some of you have the opportunity to accomplish something, no? Especially may kinalaman sa learning. You may be accomplishing a course or learning a new skill na tutulong sa'yo to change your life for the better. Now, your blessing, Eight of Pentacles. The blessing is about your career. So, pwedeng meron ditong tuloy-tuloy na trabaho, source of income. This is also about self-mastery. So, kung ano man yung minamaster mo ngayon sa buhay mo, trabaho, business, project, or skills, you are definitely mastering it. Meron tong magandang resulta. May paglago sa iyong kaperahan. You also have the Seven of Pentacles. So, this is about waiting for fruition. So, kung ano man yung mga efforts na binibigay mo, whether this is a workplace, sa project mo, sa career mo, ito ay magbubunga. Okay? Magbubunga ng maganda para sa'yo. Whatever you really deserve, no? With the Justice card. So, you are also being asked na to bring balance in your life. Siyempre, kapag tayo ay puro trabaho-trabaho naman, kailangan may oras pa rin sa sarili. Na nakakapagpahinga, meron ka pa rin panahon para mag-enjoy, diba? May panahon ka sa mga anak mo. And you also have person of fire. So, very confident ang energy mo. So, maaring meron kang fire sign sa iyong natal chart. And this is about your creative endeavors. So, you are finally taking action. Yung iba sa inyo, you are trying to hide. Meron kang pagtataguan. Sino tong pagtataguan mo? Oo. So, may mga bagay na kailangan ka na talagang harapin. Hindi mo na maiiwasan yan. Kasi the more na iniiwasan mo, the more na nagdudulot to ng challenges sa buhay mo. Okay? Example, may kailangan kang kausapin, harapin na liabilities. No? May kailangang responsibilidad na kailangang akuin. So, kailangan mo harapin yan para mas maging maganda yung takbo ng karma sa buhay mo. Kasi ang karma, not just the positive but also negative karma, no? So, depende yan kung how are you going to handle that. Now, may pagbabago talaga sa direction. Some of you, pagbabago ng career, trabaho, pagbabago ng plano, no, ng ideas. A closed door is an invitation from life to move in an even better direction. It's time to change course. So, this is your sign kung ikaw ay nasa verge of making a decision, may babaguhin ka ba? So, ito na yon. Okay? Yung mga susi andyan na sa harapan mo. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.